As far as jobs go, I loved my time on the stall, but what first hooked me just wasn't there anymore. I'd always wanted to make a big splash in life, to make something of myself, you know? Looking back, I always knew Puddle Ducks was for me. What duck doesn't want to be one of the best? So one day, I did it. I waddled right up to that door. Nothing was going to stand in my way, apart from maybe the door. I was home. We're one big family, you see. Ducks, teachers, children, parents. We've all got the same goal, for every child to love and respect the water and to swim beautifully. Obviously, I'm a good swimmer, but this was so much more. We don't just understand swimming, we understand child development. We help them grow in confidence and skills. Earning these stripes was the proudest moment of my life. I love being assigned to a new swimmer, helping them to achieve their potential, and then watching them go off and spread their wings in Swim Academy. A duck's work is never done, and thank goodness for that.